In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lesson slides in Canva. If you want lesson slides that look polished without spending hours designing from scratch, this walkthrough will guide you from a blank canvas to a presentation that's ready to share. Start by opening Canva, then click Create a Design and choose Presentation with the 16:9 option. This widescreen format matches most classroom projectors, laptops, and video players, so you won't get awkward borders or cut off content. You'll land on a clean blank slide where you can build everything out. To speed things up, head to the Design Templates tab on the left. Use the search bar to type in a topic like history lesson or science presentation, or apply the education filter to see layouts made specifically for teaching. Look for a style that suits your subject and your student's age group. Clean layouts with clear headings are usually easier to read from the back of the room. When you find a template you like, click Apply All Pages. This pulls in the entire themed deck at once, giving you a consistent look across your slides. You can delete or reorder any pages you don't need, but starting with a full deck keeps fonts, colors, and spacing aligned. Now customize your content. Click into any text box to replace placeholder text with your lesson titles, objectives, and examples. Adjust fonts and sizes to create a clear hierarchy, large, bold headings for main ideas and smaller body text for details. Use the alignment guides to keep things tidy. From the Elements tab, drag in images, shapes, and icons that reinforce your points. Search by keyword to find visuals that match your topic, and keep imagery simple so it supports, not distracts. To add motion and keep attention, select an element and click Animate. Choose subtle animations that complement your teaching pace. Then add slide transitions for a smooth flow between topics. Less is more here. Consistent, gentle movement looks professional and keeps focus on your message. Preview frequently to make sure timing feels natural. If you'd like narration, use Canva's built-in video recorder to capture your voice over or upload audio files to specific slides. You can trim clips and balance levels so the audio is clear and not overpowering. When you are ready to share, click Present to run the slideshow directly from Canva. For offline use, go to Share, then Download, and pick the format you need. PDF for printable handouts, JPG for individual slide images, or PPTX if you want to open and edit in PowerPoint. That's it. Thanks for watching.